Welcome back here to our channel. We're here with Josh Merrill, and he's going to tell us about his awesome paint job. And I don't know what else he's done to it because this paint job is just taking my sight, and that's all I can think about right now. So, Josh, you want to tell us a little bit about your car here, your truck?
It's a 2003 Silverado. It's got the 4.8 in it. Put a cam in it. It's got extensive control arms, the 2615 wheels by Raceline. As you can see, it's got a wild paint job and stuff on it.
An amazing paint job, that's what it is.
The interior is completely done up. Under the hood's done up. It's ready to show, that's for sure.
When are you gonna show it next? 'Cause we'd love to go to that show.
I'm gonna go to Battle in Bama, Scraping the Coast. I'm trying to get in Camp and Drag. Be at Sparks in the Ozarks, Relaxing in the Park. Slamboree. I'm gonna hit a few of them this year.
That's awesome. I can't wait to see this, see how you do. Let me see, what can you tell us about this paint job? What's the favorite part about it? Because there's so much here.
Man, truthfully, I like all of it. My favorite part's probably the silver leafing in it, man. You don't see that much.
Any plans for the future? Any concept that you're looking on? It kind of looks like Dangerous Toys, to show my age.
I believe it was off of a Stephen King concept or something. I don't know. It's wild, though.
Who painted it?
I'm not sure what his name is. He goes by Why Not. He's out of Florida. He passed away last year, though, they say, so.
That's horrible. This is amazing work. Now you can't paint it. You gotta keep it like this.
Yeah, I thought about having it redone eventually, but I'm gonna leave it be.
See what's going on the inside. Can you tell us a little bit about the inside?
It's wild. I'll bust it open and let y'all check it out real quick. It's got 512s, 8 tweeters, 8 6.5s. 5 amps.
Why I can't hear you?
It's got.
I'm deaf from just hearing what you got in there.
Oh yeah.
I love the motif you put in. Oh wow, nice. That actually scared me. I wasn't expecting that. You take it in carpools?
What?
You take it in the carpool?
Oh yeah.
LCD screens on there?
Yeah, it's got an iPad. Oh no, not on the glass, just the iPad right there.
Oh, okay. I like the color combinations too. It's really nice.
Oh yeah.
So, when did you get it?
About 4 months ago.
It's a baby.
Oh yeah, it's my baby. She's new. I tried scoring it a long time.
See, you have 2 arms. So what did you give up? What'd you give up to get this thing? It looks like it was pricey.
A lot.
I don't see any kids, so I guess that must be it.
Oh, yeah, no, I got kids.
No, I'm just teasing. Anything else you want to tell us about?
The audio system, yeah, it's NVX, all of it, the highs, the tweeters, everything, amps, 12s.
So is there a name for your baby here?
The dude I got it from called it H8RSNV. I haven't named it myself yet.
First thing I thought was, remember that band from the 80s, late 80s, early 90s, Dangerous Toys?
Yes.
I'm from Austin, actually.
Oh yeah, gotta love old Austin.
All right, thank you guys for watching. I'm Josh from Merrill. He was kind enough to show us his car with the Texas Throwdown 2021. Hope to see you at another event. You guys come out, support the community. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit link. Just don't hit anybody else. All right, I'll see you later.